Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to install ChatGPT in Google Sheets. Use ChatGPT with Google Sheets. And here is how. Number 1. On your Google spreadsheet, go to Extensions, drag your cursor to Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. Number 2. On the search bar, search for GPT for Google Sheets and Docs. Since I have searched this before, I already have it here in the front page. Number 3. You need to install it, so click Install and a pop-up window will appear. Just follow the process. Number 4. After installing GPT on your spreadsheet, you need to set up your API key. Number 5. Go to Extensions. Drag your cursor to GPT for Sheets and Docs. Then tap on Set API Key on the right side of the spreadsheet. A GPT window will appear. Number 6. To set up your API key, tap on the How to Create an OpenAI API Key link. You will be redirected to the GPT website. Follow the steps provided. Number 7. Click on the OpenAI platform link. Number 8. Since we already have a Google account, you just need to click on Login. Number 9. Tap on Continue with Google and log in to your Gmail account. Number 10. After logging in, you will be able to set up your API key. Tap on the Create New Secret Key button. Number 11. A pop-up window will appear and click on Create Secret Key and it will generate a secret key for you. Number 12. Once the API key has been generated, you need to copy it, then go back to your Google spreadsheet and paste the copied secret key. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.